Ejon T16 Assembly Tutorial. First, count the parts, including bending machine, bending table, feeding pallet, keyboard tab, worktop bracket, computer stand, feed frame column, feeding tray crossbeam, stopper shaft, display fixed bracket, display expandable bracket, dust blower gun, control card, UKey, USB drive, optional or self-provided, computer, monitor, keyboard and mouse. Next is the assembly. 1. Feed bracket assembly. First assemble the feed frame column and crossbeam. After attaching to the host, tighten the screws to fix. Install the feeding pallet. Install the stopper shaft. Two. Keyboard tab installation. After attaching to the host, tighten the screws to fix. 3. Bending table assembly. Install the countertop bracket first. Remove the countertop from the back of the machine. Rotating bend shaft facilitates countertop installation. Tighten the screw to fix. Four. Display assembly. Install the monitor bracket first. Install expandable bracket. Install the monitor. Five. Install control card. Unpack the computer case cover. Insert the control card into the slot. The screw secures two communication interfaces. Install the computer case cover. Six. Cable connection. Open the front door. Pass the control card data cable through the corresponding cable hole. Pass the computer power cable and monitor power cord through the cable holes and plug it into a power outlet. Turn on the socket power switch. Cut to release the red securing strap on the milling cutter assembly. Close the front door. Thread the keyboard and mouse data cables through their respective holes. The computer is on the left side of the body. Connection board data cable. Connect keyboard and mouse. Connect the computer power cable. Connect the monitor data cable. Connect the monitor power cable. Connect the monitor data cable. Connect compressed air. Connect the vending machine's main power cable. Seven. Turn on the main power switch. Turn on the side air switch. Turn off the emergency stop knob. Open the computer. The system has been powered on and assembled. Thank you for watching.